In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Rithmic to Quantower, quick and easy. First things first, you want to go ahead and get your credentials for Rithmic. You can get it from your account management dashboard, and from there we are ready to head over to the Quantower application. Inside, you will be brought to this dashboard right here, on which you will be able to see some quick buttons. We have the Binance Spot, DX feed, which is this one, and then we have Rithmic. You can just click on Rithmic right here, and you want to make sure that you are inside the Rithmic option. There's a lot of connections that you can simply make on Quantower, and one of those is going to be Rithmic. You want to enter your user ID right here, password, and finally, you want to make sure that you are on the right server. You will be able to get your server inside your account dashboard. Click on connect and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.